मातृभ्यो नमः, पितृभ्यो नमः, आचार्येभ्यो नमः, देवेभ्यो नमः. My hearty wishes to all the video viewers. In the previous video, we have seen that Mahalakshmi Puja used to be performed on 14th November in the evening between 5:28 and 7:24 p.m. Now, in this video, we would like to tell you what are the items to be procured for puja and how to prepare for puja. List of items: turmeric powder, turmeric root pieces, kumkum, akshata, betel leaves, betel nuts, 1 rupee coins, 5 types of fruits, 1 small piece of dry coconut, 1 small piece of jaggery, dry grapes, dry date fruits, yajnopavitam, vastram made with cotton. Available in market. Ganapati made with turmeric, 1 small Lakshmi idol, 1 photo of Lakshmi, 1 small tender coconut, 1 kalash for Devi, another kalash for puja, 1 wooden seat, red silk cloth to spread on wooden seat, rice to be used for making rice bed of 12 into 8 inches size on red silk cloth, 1 green silk cloth to keep on kalasha, incense sticks stand, panchapatra. Panchapatra means 1 glass, 1 spoon, 1 small bowl, 1 bell, that is ghanta, 5 types of sacred leaves, each 2, banyan, palash, mango, peepal, bakul. If you cannot secure these leaves for any reason, use tulasi or bilva as substitute. Take 10 diyas and make them 5 by keeping one over the other. 1 harati plate, camphor. If there is no practice of burning camphor for harati, use 3 cotton battis dipped in ghee. Cotton batti for diyas at the rate of 3 battis for each diya. Ghee for diya. Matchbox. Coconut for breaking at the time of puja. Panchamrutas. These are 15 ml each. Milk, curd, ghee, honey, sugar, coconut water for abhishekam. 1 garland for kalasha. Flowers for puja. These could be jasmine, chamanti, etc. Panakam, that is jaggery water, vadapappu, Bengal gram on green dal soaked in water, sweet halwa and pulihodra or any other item for naivedya. 1 clean plate for abhisheka which can hold liquids. To secure the mixture of panchamruta after abhisheka, 1 vessel. This liquid will be tirtham after puja. To clean the idol after abhishekam, 1 dry and clean cloth piece. How to arrange these things? Morning, clean the house, mop the floor neatly and tie torana of mango leaves to the main entrance. Evening around 4 p.m, start preparation after taking head bath. Wife and husband to perform puja. Wear silk cloth. On the forehead, wear sandal paste and kumkum. Ladies may wear flowers in the hair if such practice prevails. Wet turmeric powder can be smeared on the feet if such practice is prevailing. Rings for the finger of the feet, mangalyam, are to be there for the female. Gents who have the practice of wearing yajnopavitam, sacred thread, please ensure wearing it. Have a clean towel on left shoulder, one spare cotton cloth for clearing the wet hand. Those who are performing puja should face east or north direction. Normally, goddess idol will be facing you. At the place where you want to install goddess, clean the floor again, smear wet turmeric, allow it to dry and draw rangoli on it. Place cleaned wooden seat on it, spread the red silk cloth on the wooden seat, make a rice bed measuring 12 into 8 inches size to accommodate goddess Lakshmi and Ganapati on the rice bed. On the rice, draw rangoli with kumkum or turmeric powder. On the rice, arrange 2 betel leaves, one to the left and the other to the right. Keep 1 rupee coin below each betel leaf. The leaf edge should be to your left. Make one Ganapati with turmeric powder wet and keep it in the betel leaf left side. On the right side leaf, goddess Kalasha to be installed after preparing it. Those who do not have the tradition of laying Kalasha can skip it and place Mahalakshmi idol, that is Vigraha, or 11 1 rupee coins on right side betel leaf. Place Mahalakshmi photo behind Ganapati and Lakshmi idol. One tambulam in front of Ganapati and another tambulam in front of goddess Lakshmi. Each tambulam should contain 5 betel leaves with the edges to your left, 5 betel nuts, 5 dry grapes, 5 dry date fruits, 5 fruits, 1 each from 5 varieties of fruits you have procured. Tambulam in front of Ganapati should have additionally 1 small piece of dry coconut and small piece of jaggery. Those who have the tradition of keeping Kalasha will have to prepare Kalasha. Take the vessel meant for goddess Kalasha. Tie 1 small turmeric root with yellow thread. White twine can be smeared with turmeric powder so that it becomes yellow thread around the neck. Put sandal paste at 5 places in the middle around the vessel and kumkum over the sandal paste. Place 2 leaves each of Pancha Pallavas or Tulasi leaves. Add 2 drops of milk, not boiled milk, 1 betel nut, 1 rupee coin. Pour water inside the vessel to the half of Kalasha. 1 pinch of kumkum, 1 pinch of sandal paste, 1 pinch of turmeric and few akshatas. 2 pieces of turmeric roots also. Then take tender coconut or normal coconut, smear it with wet turmeric and place it on Kalasha. Over the coconut, place 1 green silk cloth and a garland over it. Place whole setup on the betel leaf on the right side of the wooden seat. In the Kalasha, arrange 5 mango leaves with the edges outside in a circular fashion so that they are visible outside after coconut is placed on the Kalasha. Idol of goddess or 1 rupee coins can be placed in front of Kalasha on a betel leaf. Some people have the practice of keeping banana saplings on left and right of the wooden seat. It is optional. Take 10 diyas, keep one diya over the other so that they become 5 diyas. 3 battis on each diya and pour ghee. These diyas to be lighted before commencement of puja only. And once lighted, it should be taken care by frequent pouring of ghee into diya so that they last till puja is completed. Next, prepare puja kalasha. Take a clean vessel, put sandal paste and kumkum at 5 places in the middle in circular fashion. Pour water in it to the full. Place small flowers, tulsi and bilva, pinch of achata, sandal paste, turmeric powder, kumkum, and also place 2 mango leaves with the edges inside. Keep ready Naivedyam, coconut for puja, panchamrutas, and the leftover fruits after placing in tambula to your side. Now everything is ready for puja. Arrange for playing Mangalavadya such as Nadaswaram in your mobile for 5 minutes before you commence puja. Similarly, for 5 minutes after puja while prasada distribution is going on. Please watch for the detailed puja procedure in the next video.